वेलकम बॅक फ्रेंड्स. तर फ्रेंड्स, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण डेली यूज होणारे इंग्लिश सेंटेन्सेस बघणार आहोत विथ द वर्ड हॅव. हॅव हा सेंटेन्सच्या सुरुवातीला असेल. ओके. तर प्रॅक्टिस करा माझ्या बरोबर. शॅडोइंग करा. शॅडोइंग काय असतं हे मी माझ्या प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओमध्ये सांगितलंय. त्याची लिंक तुम्हाला खाली डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये पण भेटेल. आणि फोकस ओनली ऑन द इंग्लिश सेंटेन्सेस. ओके. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम फ्रेंड्स, चला आजच्या व्हिडिओला आपण सुरुवात करूया. हॅव यू कम्प्लिटेड युअर वर्क? Have you completed your work? Have you arrived on time? Have you arrived on time? Have you met your friend? Have you met your friend? Have you packed the bag? Have you packed the bag? Have you seen the doctor? Have you seen the doctor? Have you read the letter? Have you read the letter? Have you checked? Have you checked? Have you seen my message? Have you seen my message? Have you paid the money? Have you paid the money? Have you been to the new house? Have you been to the new house? Have you heard my answer? Have you heard my answer? Have you said anything? Have you said anything? Have you read the newspaper? Have you read the newspaper? Have you received it? Have you received it? Have you taken the exam? Have you taken the exam? Have you called the office? Have you called the office? Have you taken the tiffin? Have you taken the tiffin? Have you heard my favorite song? Have you heard my favorite song? Have you started the new job? Have you started the new job? Have you taken a nap today? Have you taken a nap today? Have you closed the door? Have you closed the door? Have you made tea? Have you made tea? Have you cooked anything for lunch? Have you cooked anything for lunch? Have you dropped the kids at school? Have you dropped the kids at school? Have you turned off the fan? Have you turned off the fan? Have you washed the clothes? Have you washed the clothes? Have you charged the phone? Have you charged the phone? Have you introduced yourself? Have you introduced yourself? Have you changed the password? Have you changed the password? Have you cleaned the house? Have you cleaned the house? Have you turned off the TV? Have you turned off the TV? Have you opened the window? Have you opened the window? Have you listened to me? Have you listened to me? Have you done your work on time? Have you done your work on time? Have you downloaded the new app? Have you downloaded the new app? Have you sent the mail? Have you sent the mail? Have you found the address? Have you found the address? Have you taken the keys? Have you taken the keys? Have you seen my book? Have you seen my book? Have you called me? Have you called me? Have you made the plan? Have you made the plan? Have you fixed the time? Have you fixed the time? Have you gone for a walk? Have you gone for a walk? Have you spoken to your friends? Have you spoken to your friends? Have you spent the time nicely? Have you spent the time nicely? Have you found the keys? Have you found the keys? Have you watched the video? Have you watched the video? Have you washed the car? Have you washed the car? Have you eaten the fruits? Have you eaten the fruits? Have you slept? Have you slept? Have you eaten anything? Have you eaten anything? Have you opened the gate? Have you opened the gate? Have you helped me? Have you helped me? Have you heard what I said? Have you heard what I said? Have you found the place? Have you found the place? Have you caused trouble? Have you caused trouble? Have you stopped? Have you stopped? Have you answered me? Have you answered me? Have you changed the plan? Have you changed the plan? Have you caught the train? Have you caught the train? Have you reached work? Have you reached work? Have you changed your clothes? Have you changed your clothes? Have you watched the news? Have you watched the news? Have you made the payments? Have you made the payments? Have you registered? Have you registered? Have you prepared? Have you prepared? Have you drawn the picture? Have you drawn the picture? Have you remember what was taught? Have you remember what was taught? Have you done the reading? Have you done the reading? Have you learned something new? Have you learned something new? Have you told anyone? Have you told anyone? Have you been with me? Have you been with me? ओके फ्रेंड्स, तर हा होता आजचा व्हिडिओ. आय होप आजचा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल आणि आजच्या व्हिडिओमधून तुम्ही काहीतरी नवीन शिकला असाल. असेच व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी फ्रेंड्स माझ्या युट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बाजूला जो बेल आयकॉन आहे त्याला पण क्लिक करा. तर जेव्हा पण मी नवीन व्हिडिओ टाकेल तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन भेटेल. ओके, थँक्यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स. टेक केअर. बाय बाय.